Hello everyone, it's Ron Wilkerson again. Guys, as most of you know, I am a professional photographer down here in the city of Houston. One of the problems I run into a lot of times when I'm out on location, guys, I'm constantly having to take gear apart, put things back together, reassemble things, and I never seem to have the right tool. But I think SMALLRIG has come up with something that I think is going to be excellent for me and a lot of you guys out there as well. Let's take a look at this tool that I found from SMALLRIG. All right, guys, so here's the tool that I ordered from SMALLRIG. And like I said, one of the problems that I seem to run into quite often is not having the right tool for the job. A lot of times when I'm out on location trying to put things together. Let's take a look at what we get in the box. So, wow, that's really nice. So this little tool comes with the carry case. That's interesting, very nice. All right, let's see what we got inside. Okay, so now we also have a little pouch. So, all right, guys, so here's our actual tool. So what this is going to give us is all of our different screwdriver bits. As you guys can see here, you have all the different bits for your screwdrivers, as well as, more importantly for me, all the different possible bits, or at least a good selection of bits for Allen keys, because I'm constantly taking apart my rigs, my gimbals, my sliders, things like that. So having these in a really easy multi-tool really comes in handy. I really like this a lot. It's aluminum alloy, very well built. Nothing feels cheap about this. All right, guys, so hopefully this video has been helpful to someone out there who's been, struggling with the same problem I have, never seeming to have a simple solution for finding the right tool for the job. I think this can be it. All right, guys, I will catch you all in the next video.